we have here division of integers. In the first example, we divide positive number by negative. For the division, we have the same rules like for multiplication. When we multiply positive number times negative, when we divide positive number by negative, it doesn't matter, the answer will be negative. So when we multiply positive times negative is negative answer. When we divide positive by negative, the answer is negative. Or when we divide negative by positive, the answer is negative. The same like for multiplication, when we multiply negative times positive, the answer is negative. So first we have to find the sign. Positive divided by negative is negative. And now we have 200 divided by 20. First we can cross the zeros, so we have negative sign, we copy. 20 divided by 2. So we have 20 divided by 2 is 10. Next example, now we have division of two negative integers, negative 84 and negative 21. The rule is the same like for multiplication of two negative numbers. So we will get positive number. Negative number divide by negative number give me positive. The same like for multiplication, like I said. Negative times negative give me positive. Negative divide by negative give me positive. So negative and negative give me positive sign, and I have 84 divided by 21. Positive sign we don't have to write. 84 divided by 21 is 4. And the last example, we have negative number divided by positive. When you don't have any sign, it's always positive. So negative divided by positive. The rule is the same like for multiplication. When we multiply negative times positive, or when we divide negative by positive, the answer is negative. And 55 divided by 11 is 5. So we have negative 5. This is my solution.